this is more fiction than fact. AI encourages a gradual evolution in the job market, which, with the right preparation, will be positive. People will still work, but they'll work better with the help of AI. Naresh Soni from Tsunami AR/VR feels that smartphones will reduce energy usage and provide better security. Marketing will be more targeted and we'll get better healthcare thanks to better diagnosis. In a world where healthcare professionals have to review tons of data manually before they diagnose or treat a patient, AI platforms will provide real-time insights combined with the explosion of computer power. These will help health professionals diagnose patients faster and more accurately as machines interpret the required data. AI is also developing innovative new drugs and treatments, reducing medical and diagnostic errors, predicting adverse reactions, and lowering the cost of healthcare for providers and patients. Google's Launchpad Studio, for instance, is creating an ecosystem of applied machine learning startups and has begun by focusing on healthcare. One of the first companies to join the studio earlier this month, Byteflies, is building a plug-and-play platform for wearables that other software developers could use to harness machine learning to transform raw data into actionable insights. Harl Quintus-Bose from Cooper Perkins Incorporated tells us that AI is a technology that can be used for both good and nefarious purposes, so there is a need to be vigilant. The latest technologies seem typically applied towards the healthiest amongst us, but AI has the potential to expand knowledge and understanding to a broader population. For example, image-based AI diagnosis of medical conditions could allow for a more comprehensive deployment of telemedicine. The machine learning algorithm that Google uses to label web images can diagnose diabetic retinopathy, as well as highly trained ophthalmologists. With retinal images, clinicians can diagnose, monitor, and treat diabetic retinopathy remotely via telemedicine. Infusing telemedicine platforms with machine learning algorithms such as IBM Watson will mean better diagnosis with less human effort. For example, an algorithm should track every treatment from strep throat and then ask patients how long it took them to get better on average. The platform could then adapt and recommend treatments based on past success rates. Diabetic retinopathy screening software uses a portable fundus camera, which is deployed in the screening site. The captured images are securely transmitted to the cloud software platform for analysis. The software automatically generates a report for the referral source and, in some cases, for the patient. This facilitates compliance with follow-up examinations. Let's consider a case study of YourMD, a digital healthcare company that uses AI to provide users with personalized health information via a chatbot. In UK, the general practitioners and primary care surgeons are always overburdened, and a common complaint of patients was that their waiting times were too long. YourMD is a free service that uses AI techniques to provide users with personalized advice about medical complaints. The app records user symptoms and matches these with a map of clinical data about illnesses. This is compiled from public sources with the help of contributing doctors. YourMD engages about 30 doctors to conduct research on illnesses and to input data into the AI system. YourMD has created a primary care market where it eases the burdens of medical staff and helps improve the work, since initial screening of non-acute conditions is done digitally. Users of the service benefit from the information and suggestions they receive from the app. Now we have leader everywhere, and Leaderati is building a global database for leader. Leaderati is a first of its kind crowdsourced leader cleanup app that identifies leader type, distribution, and location. This data is used to work with companies and organizations to find more sustainable solutions. For example, in 2017, 1.1 billion cigarettes were found all over the world, and cities spend millions to clean them up. Leaderati is tackling this problem one piece of litter at a time. According to Greg Savage from Clear Results, AI is a benefit to society because machines can become smarter over time and increase efficiencies. Additionally, computers are not susceptible to the same probability of errors as human beings. From an energy standpoint, AI can be used to analyze and research historical data to determine how to most efficiently distribute energy loads from a grid perspective. A high-value application of artificial intelligence is around demand management. It includes energy efficiency, demand-side management, and demand response. Many startups are working on developing AI-connected home devices that will better manage the supply and demand factor, such as automated set-it-and-forget-it solutions. Startups are building AI systems that will make office buildings more comfortable and improve energy efficiency. Alphabet Nest is a US-based startup that uses AI to learn a home's occupants' habits, then control the home's temperature by adjusting the cooling and heating thermostat. The end result is a reduction in energy consumption, which in turn results in cost savings from the homeowner and reduction of greenhouse gas emissions. Another startup called Comfy also offers a similar type of service that is aimed more at office buildings. PG&E announced that it has connected 200,000 solar customers, accounting for 1 in every 4 rooftop solar households in America. It is among the fastest in our nation at connecting solar customers to the grid with an average of a 5-day turnaround time. Solid is a small chip developed by Google that can be embedded into wearables, phones, computers, cars, and IoT devices. It is a miniature radar that detects touchless gesture interactions. The Solid chip incorporates the entire sensor and antenna array into a compact 8mm by 10mm package. Solid uses the concept of virtual tools, which are gestures that mimic physical interactions with devices. Mark Butler from Qualitas tells us that AI risks are real if we don't understand the quality of the incoming data and set AI rules that make granular trade-off decisions and increasing computer speeds. Society has and will continue to benefit from AI based on character and facial recognition, digital content analysis, and accuracy in identifying patterns, whether they are used for health sciences, academic research, or technology applications. Facial recognition is a biometric technology used to identify human faces. It is used in security systems and is popular as a commercial identification and marketing tool. Let's take a look at the Snapchat app that offers a smart filter feature, which can between the images of objects, pets, sports, and tools. It can suggest relevant borders and stickers. GeoFilters identify your location and suggest location-based filters. Snapchat filters use machine learning and an image classification